Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this food warming mat. This is such a neat idea. I bake a lot of bread, and I do parties and things, and the last thing you want is cold food, and if you're making bread, this actually can help you proof that bread and let it rise. This is a nice foldable mat. This is all silicone, so it rolls right up. It's got these nice little grips on the bottom, so then you can put it on and it has a little bit of room underneath of there. And then the top is an easy to clean silicone mat, and it runs all the way through for the entire pad. It's not just little spots. So this is heated all the way across here. This is a very nice soft surface, yet hard enough that it can hold your different items. Now I'm gonna bring you in here close so you can take a good look at this, and we can look at this nice display on here. We'll get it plugged in and test it out. So here's a look at this mat up close. As you can see, these little footrests on the bottom are just nice silicone footrests, so it'll allow it to be off of the surface just a little bit, and that way the heat isn't on the surface of the counter or wherever you're putting it to. Now this is a 26 by 15 expanded, and when you roll it up, it is 15 by 4.7. So that is really nice that this is just so flexible and bendable. Now to plug it in, you just have your plug here, and then right here at the end, plug that in, and then you just plug it into a standard 110 outlet. And then here is your screen up close. You have your power button, your timer, and then your temperature settings. So it starts out, you go from 60 degrees, and you have 5 different settings. It goes up to 100 degrees Celsius. And that is the same as 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you do also have a timer function, and it lights it up there. You've got your hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and 4 hours. And then it'll just slowly count down as you go, so you'll always know how much you have left. And this would be fantastic if you were doing a buffet or even just making up some bread and you wanted to rise the bread. It's got a nice, this is heating up really quick, but you can easily put your food on there and warm it up, have a nice area that you can then display food out, have it warm, and it looks really pretty and really neat. And this really does keep this nice and hot. I love that. Then whenever you're finished, you just turn it off, unplug it. It's super simple to store, because all you've got to do, let it cool off if you're actually putting it up, but I just want to show you. Roll it up, and then you just use the mat here to roll this up with your little piece of Velcro, and then it is ready to store and ready to use for next time.